she looks stunning. Oh, wow. And there's world-class events, world-class concerts. कौन है पूरे नॉर्थ अमेरिका में, पूरी दुनिया में जो पाकिस्तानी टैलेंट को इतना बड़ा स्टेज दे रहा है, पाकिस्तानी मूवीज के प्रीमियर्स करा रहा है? The one and only.
सबसे पहले it's a beautiful feeling कि जब कोई पाकिस्तानी फिल्म सिनेमा पर हर तरीके और अंदाज से hits the record, it feels good as a Pakistani, as an overseas Pakistani, to promote our entertainment, our celebrities and our movies जो overseas में एक ऐसा रैंक लेकर गए हैं. This movie has taken over all the records globally. So wanna congratulate the star cast, the directors, the producers, and of course the one and only Mehwish Hayat. I think she has a lot of friends and a lot of people that admire her for her work, for what she has done in the community. I will ask two of my most favorite people to come on stage. Before we introduce Mehwish or bring her on the stage, कि उनके बारे में वो मुझे हफ्ते से कहती जा रही हैं. I want to speak about her. I want to say something about her. So please, Dr. Yasmin Qureshi, if you can please come on stage and talk about her. And
women's education, women's place in the workplace, women's place in our society. And she's so impassioned about it. She was so articulate about it. She just impressed me so much that we have done several. For us, an ambassador for Houston. She is our family, and she is definitely our.
Thank you so much, Dr. Yasmin. That was such a warm and such an amazing introduction. I was almost teary-eyed. Thank you so much. Honestly, we keep doing our work, and for me, I try to utilize my platform. If Allah has given me the exposure, if the responsibility lies on me, that I use my platform and my influence to bring betterment to our society, and but getting acknowledged for that, recognized for that, it really feels amazing. Tonight is very special this evening because we are going to be watching Zombie Eid, which has received incredible response from Pakistan as well as internationally, and it's very special for me being in Houston and being able to watch the movie and have this experience right here in Houston. Thank you, Rehan. This would not have been possible without you. He did it at such a short notice, and look where we are. And this bunch of amazing people right here standing next to me, Dr. Yasmin Qureshi, Shaukat, you're amazing, Tanveer Bhai, and Omar Khwaja, and of course our Rafiq Saudagar Saab. Thank you all for being here, for supporting this evening and this show. मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल इवनिंग है. I really feel amazing being here, और I cannot wait for all of you to watch the movie and enjoy it. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं हूँ ज़ॉम्बी की टीम में से. I would like to acknowledge हमारे जो DOP हैं, सिनेमेटोग्राफर हैं, जिन्होंने बहुत अमेजिंग काम किया है पाकिस्तान में. इनके बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं इनके नाम के साथ जुड़े हुए. राना कामरान, प्लीज गिव हिम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. He's here with his family. So this makes it even more special for me because how much work went into it, and get ready to have the best experience. Ji, aaiye, please stand.
So we'll make sure that after the movie is done, the meet and greet bhi hoga, baatcheet bhi hogi. Aapko hum kahin. It's been over a decade, working with you just like a family. We've done so many projects together, and everybody over here, all these people, they love you. So lots of love.
Thank you, and Rehan, all the work that you do for the community. The way जिस तरह रेहान ऐसी opportunities लाते हैं हम सब के लिए. He builds these platforms where we all come together. I think that's really important. That's amazing. Not many people are doing this. I only see Rehan doing this, and also all these people that are standing here, Shaukat, the work you do. I'm so proud to be the brand ambassador for Aaga's, not just because it's the best restaurant in the entire US, it's also because of his heart and the way he does so much for the people that are working for him, and not just that, for everyone, for the whole community. So a big round of applause for all these lovely gentlemen standing here. Rana, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अच्छा जी
इससे पहले कि हम फिल्म शुरू करें, ये 3 क्यूट बच्चे देख रहे हैं?
जी
आइए आप.
Hi.
Your biggest cute fans, and look at the visuals.
Oh wow, I love it. Oh lovely, this is a hand painted zombie t-shirt. That's so cool. Thank you.
और ये इनकी सबसे छोटी
Don't be. Oh hello! I love this jacket. Oh my god. Are you excited to watch Zombie? Yeah.
And now, let's see what's coming soon.